Save your vision. Top tips to protect your eyes in a digital world. Welcome back to Health and Fitness University. Let me ask you something. How many hours a day do you spend staring at a screen? In this digital world, our eyes are working harder than ever, leading to eye strain, blurry vision, headaches, and even long-term vision issues. In today's video, I'll share the top habits, foods, and exercises to help you protect your eyesight and prevent digital eye fatigue. So if your eyes are tired right now, stay tuned, give this video a like, and let's dive in. Section 1. What screen time does to your eyes. Screens emit blue light that penetrates deep into the eye, disrupting sleep and causing eye strain. Extended screen time also causes us to blink less, leading to dry eyes and blurred vision. Common symptoms of digital eye strain include dry or itchy eyes, headaches, difficulty focusing, tired, burning eyes. This condition even has a name now, computer vision syndrome. But don't worry, there's a solution. Section 2. Daily habits to protect your eyes. Try these simple habits to reduce eye fatigue and protect your vision every day. 1. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It resets your focus. 2. Adjust your screen. Your screen should be at eye level, 18 to 24 inches away, and not facing a bright window. 3. Blink more often. Set a timer to remind yourself to blink every few minutes. It helps moisten the eyes. 4. Use blue light filters. Activate night mode on your devices or use blue light blocking glasses. 5. Keep screens clean. Dust and smudges increase glare and make your eyes work harder. Stop screens at least 1 hour before bed to prevent melatonin disruption and promote better sleep. Section 3. Eye-friendly foods and nutrients. Your diet plays a major role in eye health. Here are the top foods that support vision. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, essential for good night vision. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and collards contain lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful eye-protecting antioxidants. Fatty fish. Omega-3s found in salmon and sardines reduce dry eye symptoms and inflammation. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C helps maintain healthy blood vessels in the eyes. Eggs. A natural source of lutein and zinc, key nutrients for the retina. Stay hydrated. Dehydration equals dry, irritated eyes. Water helps keep your eyes lubricated and clean. Section 4. Eye exercises to relieve fatigue. Just like you stretch your legs or arms, you can exercise your eyes to reduce strain. 1. Eye rolling. Roll your eyes slowly in a circle, 5 times clockwise, 5 times counterclockwise. Hold your thumb 6 inches from your nose. Focus on it, then a distant object, then back. Repeat 10 times. Rub your hands together. Place them gently over closed eyes for a minute. Deep breath, instant relaxation. Tightly close your eyes for 5 seconds, then open wide. Repeat 5 to 6 times to refresh tired muscles. Our eyes are the windows to our world, and in the digital age, they need extra care. Small changes like blinking more, eating right, and taking breaks can protect your vision for years to come. If your eyes feel better already, give this video a thumbs up and comment below with your favorite screen time tip. And don't forget to subscribe to Health and Fitness University for more body, mind, and wellness tips every week. See clearly, live fully, stay healthy.